Hi friends, in this session we will going to solve the example which is regarding the data analysis in Excel. We consider this experiment as a CRD design. You can see here the example. Okay, in that example we need to find out the yielding abilities of 12 varieties. Okay, of 7 crop, and experiment was conducted in greenhouse. Okay, keep in mind greenhouse, so that we consider the CRD design. Okay, CRD design. Okay, with two plots. If we consider two plots oblique two replications or two observations, all are equal. It means the if we consider two plots, then also we can consider two replications. If we consider two replications, then we consider two replications, and if we consider two plots, then also we consider the two replications each variety you see here. Okay, so this is data given us for treatment 12 and 1 and 2 plots. Okay, we need to do the analysis of this data. It's very simple. We developed so many Excel designs for the different treatments and different replications. If you want this type of Excel sheet for your data analysis, then definitely you contact us. You just need to copy this data. Okay, you can copy this data and come to our Excel software. Okay, this software is for equal number of replications or observations or plot. Okay, what you need to do only here is just click here, right click and paste the data. Okay, everything is fully automatic in this design. You will get the grand total, then replication mean, then treatment mean you will get here. Okay, so you will get the final ANOVA table, final thesis table. You can see here the final ANOVA table. You will get the source of variation. So in source of variation, you'll get only the treatments, right? Why? Because this is CRD design. We don't consider the replications over here, just we put the observations over here. So we consider the source of variation only the treatments. You'll get the degrees of freedom, sum of square, mean sum of square, then F calculated F table, significance, and these treatments are non-significant. If treatments are non-significant, they not need to calculate the CD value and further analysis for this. Okay, because if there is no difference among the treatments, then no point to calculate each treatment effect, because all treatments having same effect or same yield. Then you'll get the main value here, the CB value, and this CB value is too high. That's why it's showing non-significant. Okay, because in CRD design we should have to consider the CB value below 5%. Okay, keep in mind this is, this is the very high. Okay, so for CRD design we need less than 5%. Okay, keep in mind this. Then another one, you will get the CD value for 5% and CD value for 1%. And this is the final your thesis table. You can copy this table and paste it in your thesis. Then below you will get the graphical data analysis. In that you need to only edit your axis titles. You should have to provide here the axis titles for each and everything. You can provide here the treatments as the axis title. Okay, just select it and then put it, treatments. Okay, it's very easy, it's fully automatic. You can put here the treatments against whatever parameter you choose. Here the mention here the plant yield kg per hectare. It's very simple, and just you need to put the title over here for the chart. You can give the title as a plant yield. Kg per hectare. Okay, this is very simple. If any query regarding this, or if you want this sheet, this is the fully automatic sheet. Just you need to give the input here in red color values. You can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number, or this is my email. You can contact me, or in this video description box I definitely put the my WhatsApp link, so that you just click on that. If you want to purchase this sheet from us, then definitely we will provide you this sheet. Okay, if any assistance regarding your research from us, then definitely contact us. We will provide all the assistance regarding your research. Thank you.